We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's practice cross kick 3. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that cross kick 3 is cross 3 plus a kick? See for yourself. Cross 3 with the left, and a kick, and cross 3 with the right, and a kick. Basic. So make sure to go over cross 3 in the link below. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Notice that we use all 8 counts. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready. Full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. 1. And let's go. Cross kick 3. Basic. 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Last time. Doing great. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Are you ready? Let's go. Cross 3 with the kick with the left. 1, 2, 3, kick. Cross 3 with the right and a kick. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Last time slow. Don't forget to smile. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, kick. And get ready. Full speed. Basic. Let's go. Basic. And let's go again. And basic. And guess what? Again. Now we'll practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Basic on 2 slow, and then just start with your right. Cross 3 with the right. 1, 2, 3, kick. Cross 3 with the left, and a kick. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Let's go again with the right. 2, 3, 4 with the left. And yeah, basic. Notice again that we use all 8 counts. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready to full speed. 1 basic. Yeah, let's go. And basic. You know what? Let's do it again. Basic. 1 more time. Doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? I know you are. Let's go. Cross 3 with the right and a kick. Cross 3 with the left and a kick. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. Basic. And check out cross 3 in the link below. Last time slow. Let's go. 1. Get ready to full speed. Let's go. Basic. Yeah, let's go. And basic. Let's go again. Basic. And you know what? 1 more time. Now let's practice face to face. I want to see you. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2. And let's go for 3 in a row. Yeah, let's go with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the left. Once again, no basic, with the right. With the left. Last time slow. And get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Let's go, 3 in a row. No basic. Second time. Third time. And basic. And let's do it all again on one. Basic on one. Slow. Let's go. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 3 in a row. With the left. 1, 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7, kick. No basic. With the left. Yeah. With the right. One more. Get ready to full speed. One basic. And let's go. 3 in a row. Yeah. Second time. And last time. Well done, and thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: try to rotate with the step to the right and to the left.